Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you how to use Spotify. So this will just be a quick video on the basic features you need to know about Spotify in order to use it effectively. So I'll open up Spotify, and when you first open it up, you'll be on your home page if you're logged into your account. And now you can see on the main page right at the top is going to be some playlists that you frequently play. Then you get some pre-made mixes from Spotify, and as you keep scrolling, it's like a YouTube homepage where you can just discover new music based off your listening habits. And you can filter this at the top. You can see it says music at the top. So if you tap on music, it's just going to show you the music. And now they're putting emphasis on podcasts and shows. So you can also tap here where it says podcasts and shows, and then that'll filter it by the podcasts and shows only. Then you can see a what's new on Spotify by tapping that bell icon on the right hand side where it says good evening. So you tap on the bell, and this is going to show you some things that are new within Spotify as of right now. So I'll just let that load up. So it's just going to show me basically my new podcasts and some new music that I may have missed. So that's cool. And then on the right hand side, far right of that, is the settings. If you tap on that button, this is going to give you all your various settings, which I have done videos on pretty much a lot of these features. So that's settings. If you want anything that's technical in your account, go in there and you can edit your settings. Then right at the bottom you have buttons. It says home, search, your library, and premium. So if you tap on search, that's where you search for music. You can either go on these boxes and go for pre-made categories like pop, only you, made for you, at home, and things like that. Or you could search for a specific artist. So I could write Queen or something, and then that'll show you all the music, and you can filter it by genres and moods, playlists. But this is where you get the search feature of Spotify to search for specific music on the app, and you just tap on a song and it'll play. Then you get your library. So once you've created some playlists and things like that, this will show up all your different playlists that you have created on your Spotify account, and you can filter it by playlists, podcasts and shows, albums, and you can press the plus icon at the top right and you can create a playlist or a blend. And then you get the search button and you can search your library. Then the last option there is premium. So if you tap on premium, this is where you can sign up for Spotify Premium. And those are basically the basic features of Spotify. If you know those, you'll have no problem using the app on a day-to-day basis. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.